Afterwards, I will speak. Behind them, from behind. Okay, come.
We want the release of all the 5 months salary. Kaya kabangin ra show education minister, tolong bangin ya keren baun pelait ya ka salary jongi baro sandrai. Piang kata? Ingin sesengap kaya kabana kaliang jong ka gomen kadon banong kabaya day patkanika. Benta hadin bangila wan bani kendo yau education minister. Ngin wan biang but ngin perseo happy kaya kabami nakajing ya keren biang.
Yes. Assurance patching talk.
Okay. Tola na jumut ba what assurance ro ngidon kambat ka? Ya kaniru ngin lai ra show education minister. Point number 1, kabangin lai ya keren kalong we want the government to release all our 5 months salary. Number 2, the assurance should be in black and white or in writing.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Agree?
Yes.
We request from our side, as we are going to meet the education minister, as we have no intention to disturb the general public, okay? So we request all the SSA teachers to move from here and gather in Malki ground. And after the meeting with education minister, again, we will come there in Malki ground and we'll let you know what is the outcome of the meeting. This is a request from our side. Okay, the outcome of our meeting with the Honorable Education Minister, there are two things, okay? First one, he have agreed to release our 2 months salary. That is for the month of October and November. That is from the capping norms. During the meeting, he have informed us that the finance department have agreed in principle to release from the capping norms out of 100 crores to release some amount so that the government will be in a position to pay our salary for 2 months, that is from October to November. And for the remaining 3 months, that is from December, January and February, the Honorable Education Minister have assured us that once he received the second installment from the Government of India, immediately he will release the pending 3 months. That is the outcome of the meeting.
So are you satisfied with the outcome of the meeting?
As of now, we cannot say any decision we will take in a Malki playground.
So what will be your next course of action after this meeting?
As I have mentioned just now, final decision we will taken collectively in the Malki playground.
Any other demands discussed?
No, today we have discussed specific for salary issues only.
No, but how do you term this, the outcome of the meeting with the education minister?
Yeah, at least today outcome with the education minister, we may say at least it is there is a little bit of development, we may say, because for the past 5 years there is no response from the government side. So he from his side is informed us that today itself from the finance department they have agreed in principle to release some amount so that the government will be in position to release our salary for 2 months, that is for the month of October and November.
So the government will...
Any indication?
For that, I think the best person to answer for that queries for that is the education minister. You can ask from him what is the problem of the government to release our pending salary.
So the government will immediately release the 2 months salary?
Yeah, he's assured us that once the money comes from the finance department, he will release it at the earliest possible. It may take around 1 week.
So will you put again an ultimatum for the government to release all the pending salary? For
Yeah, during the course of discussion, whatever have from his side, whatever have informed us, he have assured us that once they receive the second installment, he